What? No flicker?
What? No flicker as well? I know I'm on 4K 30 and I have to get off of it because it will flicker. Right now I'm not flickering, so I don't get the camera at times. 4K 24, it won't flicker at all on that, but 4K 30, it will. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Problems are that the camera needs to be correctly matured. And when you dial in auto white balance off and you set it to a particular one, the flicker goes away. Or did it? Because that was the last thing I've done to my camera was change my auto white balance to a manual setting. Picked the Kelvin and off I went. Speaking of off I went, I'm getting to Home Depot. I was going to say GoPro. There's no GoPro here. I got to get another piece of wood. Like I said, I forgot to get one piece. And that piece will finalize and finish off what I've been doing. Hey, you're looking through a dirty window. The train yard dope depot. Did I say dope depot? Depot. The amusement park in the distance. And when going around this turn straight ahead, you would have seen and saw the most expensive bridge in toll. This is where I came from. And this is where I'm going to. You ever see a Home Depot full of trucks? They like leased out the spot for all the trucks. Let's go where we need to be at and get what we need to get. I gotta get some nails, some wood, and I'm done. Let's take a noisy car. Oh, it's quiet. Don't you just love when things are just about in your way? And these are the nails I need, but I don't want these particular ones. There we go. This is the color, 3-inch. They got two with the same. 3-inch T25s as well. I don't want green, I want gray, which is the regular screws. I'll look over here in the next row, and here are the exterior screws. That's where they're supposed to be at, right there. So I'm good to go. Go get my wood, go down the aisle. I finally got a good piece. Off I go. In and out, just like that. Do I need anything else? No. Let's get on out of here. Oh man, I made it in and out. And I left my car on. Car's still running. On remote start, that is. I don't want to forget my nails. Let me get my wood out. Oh man, I picked the heaviest piece of wood. This got a lot of weight to it. Means it's got a lot of pressure treated material. Time to dry. Let's get on going. I'll be kind. I'll put the cart back like some people don't. I'll finish my work. I'll get it done. Put my last barrel up and use the leftover wood that I left hanging. And I got to cut that down and put that towards the end and take a piece of regular 2x4 that I got and finish it off. But it's not pressure treated. I'm not going to worry about it because it'll last a long time to begin with. Let's head on out, get on going, complete what I need to do when it brightens up. Well, that's it, folks. Till later. Got everything I need, get everything out, and go complete what I want to do. I got strawberries going, I got tomatoes starting up, peppers as well. Yes, indeed. We'll see you soon on the next video. So I accomplished what I wanted to do. Never perfect. You're perfect, not me. But I got everything up, off the ground, areas that I could concentrate on, maybe putting some stuff storage or covering it up with wood for the future. But at least it's presentable. I don't have to nail down on the floor as much. I'm able to work nice and comfortable at a height. My vegetable garden. Yours is a big country. Welcome to Cement City, baby. You're welcomed here all the time. Have a great one.